I am Dr. Jitendra Kumar Singh. Right now, I am the National President of Cancer Care India, Delhi, and at the same time, I am the Director of SS Hospital and Research Center, that is located at Kankarwal, Patna. And I am in the cancer practice for the last 38 years. I have spent maximum time in the institution and in treating the cancer cases. The scenario in cancer in Bihar particularly, it is like that almost 80 to 90,000 patients, new patients are coming every year in Bihar. And any time, if you count the numbers of the cancer patients in this state, probably it is 2.5 lakhs. So every year, almost 80 to 90,000 patients are added. So this is a huge bulk of cancer patients in Bihar. And as you know, Bihar is not a very affordable state. It's a poor state. And peoples are coming from the downtrodden area, from the poor economic areas. And cancer is a treatment which takes money, which takes long time, and at the same time, all of the cases are not curable. There are two problems of cancer, which I am witness for the last 3-4 decades. One is the incidence is very, very high of cancer in Bihar. In the country also, if you talk about India, it's also very high. But in Bihar particularly, the incidence is very high. And the second most complicated problem is that most of the patients who are coming to the hospital, they are coming in a pretty advanced stage. As my data, my observation shows that we are not getting more than 10 to 12% of cases in the early stage. So 88% are coming in advanced stage where the treatment is not very effective. We are not going to cure those cases. Only we are giving various types of treatment. We are prolonging the life of those patients. So large bulk of patients we are not getting cured. And at the same time, what I was thinking that most of the cases who are coming in early stage also, they are not from the affordable sections of the society. They can't afford to have the cancer treatment also in this particular large subset of patients who are coming in advanced stage of the disease. So this is a big problem. The patients who are coming in advanced stage, they are not affordable cost, and there is only a small subset of patients, they are coming in early stage of the disease. We have to go long way. We have to change the scenario. And what is my perception, that if you want to change the scenario in this state or in the country, we have to redefine the targets. Right now, we have been concentrating on the treatment. And I don't think only giving the treatment, we can change the scenario. If we want to change, we should give more focus, more attention towards the community oncology programs. We should make the people aware. We should make the people educated. We should do the early detection, and at the same time, we should give more focus on prevention. So these are the community oncology programs which we should take up, and in my opinion, it should be taken up by almost all the cancer centers in this country. Slowly and slowly, my area and my area of interest is that we should incorporate these things in the cancer centers of Bihar. When the patients are coming in the early stage of the disease, they are in the curable stage. We can cure the patient. If we follow the WHO data, 33% cancers can be prevented, 33% cancers can be cured if they are detected in early stage, and remaining 33% cancers, we can palliate the disease by various types of treatment. So we are curing the patients of cancer up to 70%, almost 70%. But where are we today? We are only 10%. So the perception of this disease and the mindset of the public, which they have developed, that cancer is a dreaded disease. Any person who is having cancer, he will die within a few days, few weeks or few years. So this is the general perception. We have to change the perception first. So that's why I told that cancer education is the most important things. Apart from the treatment, of course, advancement in the treatment should be done. It's important. But these community oncology programs should also be taken up. Some habits, some food habits, some lifestyle change, these are very important. And every week, every month almost, we are going to the public in outreach programs. We tell them, we communicate with them, we evaluate the patients also, and we are trying to change the mindset of the persons. And I'm sure you people will agree with me that even in Bihar, there is a change in the mindset. Now the people started thinking that there is a treatment of cancer. Now they are thinking cancer can be cured also by the appropriate treatment. And even the disease in advanced stage, we can almost palliate the disease for a long years. And the most important thing, if the disease is cured, the patient can lead a healthy life, normal life, like a normal human being. So this type of mindset they have almost adopted, and this is because of our extensive screening program, extensive educational programs, and community oncology programs. Bihar, there are very less number of cancer centers as far as treatment is concerned. Even these things, these community oncology programs, that can be taken up from the different hospitals of the health sectors. It's not that only cancer hospitals should come. So if the Bihar government should take up these things in their priorities, probably it will have a long impact on the cancer patients and for the general public also. First thing, we have to change the mindset of the persons. That is the most important things. There are many taboos, there are many myths, there are many disbelief in the cancer management and in the people's mind also. So we have to change it. The second thing, Bihar is very much deficient of the cancer centers. Right now we don't have any well-equipped center in this state. We don't have. Even we were suggesting that medical college must have a cancer department, which we don't have. Right now we have 10 medical colleges in Bihar, but hardly 1 or 2 medical colleges, they are having the cancer department. That is also not well equipped. So first thing, we should have at least 4 or 5 cancer centers, which is very much well equipped in this state. Any person who goes to these centers, he should not be referred, he or she should not be referred to the outside of the state for the various type of treatment. So people should know, and people should have the belief that we have the centers where we can get the best treatment, just like the Delhi and Mumbai they are providing. So this is most important thing. Right now we don't have, but we are also planning to bring with a very big center with some all the facilities of treatment. But what is my belief that any center apart from the treatment, they must have some community oncology program, number one. They have some space, they must have some greeneries, they must have some ambience that any patient, because most of the cancer patients are depressed, when they enter in the hospital, at least half of the disease is gone. They should think that I have come to a right place and my disease will be cured if I get treatment in this hospital. This type of perception they should have while the patient enters in the hospital. So, apart from these things also, we are also thinking to incorporate. Right now we have been giving the only allopathic modern medicines, but we want to incorporate, we want to be associated with many other treatments also, like other Indian treatment of medicines, like Ayurveda, like this homeopathy, like Unani, and so on and so forth. Apart from these things, we wanted to incorporate we wanted to give the religious tinge also. We wanted to include the yoga also. We wanted to include the motivational programs also. Music therapy. There are so many hypnotic therapy. There are many things. There are something good, and they can also change the agonies, the fear from the cancer patients. We want that every therapy should be there, and any patient, if they want to have the benefit of that treatment, they must get it. And of course, that will be done in a scientific manner. So we are going to have a multidisciplinary, multipathy treatment. I always believe in that. And one thing is very important, that in cancer treatment, we have to have a research. Unless until you don't have the research, you can't produce your own data. You can't produce your own problems. We have some different problem. Assam has different problem. Kochi has some different problems. So we should highlight those things and we should work on that area. Just for example, we have world largest gallbladder cancer and hepatobiliary cancer in this part of the country. We should do some work. We should do some research. Why this is so? Yesterday also, I went to a village and I found that in one village, I found 50 cancer patients in that village. And most of the person who die anytime, they die of the cancer. So we wanted to do some research also. What is the problem? What is the reason why the cancer patient is so much in a small village? We will. I had also some research team. We are doing some research also, and Government of India has given permission to do the research, on the different aspects. So one thing we wanted to know, whether is there any high level of arsenic, high level of pesticide, high level of insecticides. We wanted to know what is the reason. So these types of research must go on. Unless until we don't do it, probably we will not be able to catch the causative problems of the disease. And lastly, I would like to tell that scenario can be changed in cancer, because cancer is a slow growing disease. It's a costly treatment, and when many of the persons are coming in advanced stage of the disease, we can't save the life of the patients. So we should concentrate on those areas where we can save the patient, where we can detect the patient in early stage, the cost can be minimized. We are always talking economizing cancer care, how we can economize the cancer center. Because most of the patients who are coming from the rural area, they don't have the money. Even they are in the early stage, they don't have the money. So how we should economize the cancer care, that even the remotest part of the state, if the patient is sitting, how he should give the advantage or get the advantage from the various types of treatment. We are in the process of doing so. Probably in a year or two, we will be able to develop such type of center which should provide every type of treatment to the cancer patients. And right from the extensive screening program up to the palliative care, all the things will be there. And probably, and I am sure that if these centers will come, these type of centers will come, probably it will change the scenario of this state as far as the cancer management is concerned.